Hi everyone, this is Marlon, and welcome back to Cooking Filipino Food. For this episode, we are making lumpia. Lumpiang Sariwa, or fresh lumpia, is a variation of its fried counterpart, which is the Filipino spring roll. Well, with a couple of differences. First, it's not deep fried, and second, it calls for a homemade crepe like wrapper. It is also very adaptable in that you can add in any vegetable you want or even vary the protein. This recipe calls for chicken, but you can use beef, pork, tofu, or not put any meat at all to make it vegetarian. Home cooked meals are the best, and this one is no exception. Have fun cooking! For our ingredients, we would need 4 cloves of garlic, 1 medium-sized shallot or onion, whatever is available, a quarter cup of dried shrimp, 1 small sweet potato, half a pound of string beans, 1 medium-sized carrot, 1 small cabbage, and half a pound of chicken breast. Now that we've prepared all our ingredients, it's time to cook. for the wrapper, we are going to need a cup of all-purpose flour. We'll also be needing 2 eggs, a 1/4 cup of water, 2/3 to 3/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of oil. Any vegetable oil will do. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you make fresh lumpia. So whether you're cooking lumpia for yourself, your family, or your Filipino neighbor to impress them, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did making it. Oh, by the way, if you're not a subscriber yet and you would like to see more of this content, just smash that subscriber button down below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future recipes. Until next time, once again, this is Marlon, and this is Cooking Filipino Food.